Understanding Cleaning Deposit, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson on English phrases. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, cleaning deposit. Whether you're renting an apartment, booking a hotel, or involved in other rental agreements, understanding this term is crucial. So, let's dive in and demystify this common phrase. A cleaning deposit is a sum of money that a tenant pays to a landlord or a service provider at the beginning of a rental period. The key purpose of this deposit is to cover the cost of cleaning the property after the tenant leaves. It's important to note that this deposit is usually refundable, provided that the property is left in a good, clean condition. When you pay a cleaning deposit, you're essentially giving a financial guarantee to the property owner. This amount is often held by the landlord or the agency until the end of your rental term. If you maintain the property well and leave it clean, the deposit is returned to you. However, if there are cleaning or repair needs beyond normal wear and tear, the cost is deducted from this deposit. 1. Renting an apartment. When you rent an apartment, the landlord might ask for a cleaning deposit along with the first month's rent. This deposit is to ensure that if any cleaning is needed after you move out, the costs are covered. 2. Booking a hotel room. Some hotels might include a cleaning deposit in their pricing, especially for long stays or large groups, to cover potential extra cleaning costs. 3. Event spaces. If you're renting a hall or event space, a cleaning deposit might be required to ensure the space is well maintained after your event. I hope this video has helped clarify what a cleaning deposit is and how it works in various contexts. Remember, it's a common practice in rental agreements aimed at maintaining property standards. If you have any questions or want to learn more about similar phrases, feel free to comment below. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.